a dragonfly hovering above a still pond at sunrise. In the quiet corners of wetlands and winding rivers, a creature of ancient origins dances through the air like living jewelry, the dragonfly. They've been on this planet for over 300 million years, far longer than dinosaurs, evolving through time, yet never losing their elegance or mastery of flight. But before they ever take to the skies, dragonflies begin life beneath the surface, as fierce aquatic hunters called nymphs. For months, even years, they wait in the murky depths, ambushing unsuspecting prey. Then, one day, a transformation begins. The nymph climbs above water, clings to a reed, and is reborn. The shell cracks open, and wings unfold for the very first time. With 4 independent wings and nearly 360-degree vision, the dragonfly becomes a predator of the air. Agile, relentless. Beautiful, their flight is short, just a few weeks. But in that time, they find a mate and continue the cycle of life, leaving behind the next generation in quiet waters. The dragonfly, a symbol of change, transformation, and the delicate dance of life and death. Ancient, mysterious, eternal.